What's going on, guys? It's Isaac here again with a 2019 Ford F-350 that we just got done with. We added a leveling kit, wheels and tires, and I'm going to go over what exactly that is. The leveling kit is going to be a 2 and 2.5 inch leveling kit that is also going to allow us to fit this bigger wheel and tire package. All it is going to be a spacer that sits underneath the springs and just lift it up and matches the front with the back. Now the tire is a 35 1350 R24 Fury Country Hunter tire. So this one's going to be about like a mud terrain tire. It's going to be a little bit more knobbier, a little bit more aggressive. With this tire, you are going to have to do a little bit of trimming if you do go with this size and with this leveling kit, and cut some of that plastic down here to make sure that it does not rub. Now, the wheel is going to be a 24 by 12 Hostile Forged Tomahawk. Now this forged wheel is absolutely beautiful. It's definitely going to make your truck shine going down the road and just make it stand out. This one's going to be a little bit of a, I want to say it's a directional wheel, but it's almost like a fake directional. Part of the spoke is straight, but also at the same time the other half of it is at an angle, so it's like a false directional wheel. With this one, it's going to be a little bit of a mix between a concave and a deep dish look. You can see the spokes are going back towards the center of the center cap, and then there is about a 4-inch lip on this wheel. This one's going to have a -44 offset, which is going to make your wheel and tire push out from your fenders about that much and give it a nice wider stance. So overall, this is a very clean and beautiful look for this truck. So if you guys want to get yours built like it, or you want to see more things to get inspired by, you can check out our website where we have a gallery. But if you guys do want to get your truck built, we do offer 0% finance for up to 12 months. That can really help you out. So if you guys have any questions, make sure you check out the description for more information.